Did you know that your microwave might be the most misunderstood appliance in your kitchen? Today we're busting 5 myths that have fooled home cooks for decades. First up, the exploding water myth. Watch as I heat this perfectly still water past its boiling point. Now when I drop in a spoon, it erupts instantly. This is called superheating, and it's real but rare. Myth 2 claims plastic wrap leaches toxins into food. Our temperature gun shows microwave-safe wrap stays well below its melting point, keeping your food safe. Does standing time actually matter? These thermal images reveal hot and cold spots that disappear after 2 minutes of resting. The myth is true. Here's a big one. Microwaves don't cook from inside out. Watch this thick potato heat from the outside edges inward, just like conventional cooking. Finally, reheating rice. The danger isn't the microwave, it's bacteria that grows when rice sits at room temperature too long. Proper storage makes all the difference. Science wins again over kitchen folklore.